Yeah, getting a P0128 Thermostat Rationality. Yep, we're going to change that thermostat. Hey guys, I'm Damon with We Did Something, and we were going to work on my wife's journey again. We've been getting a check engine light with the code for thermostat rationality, and she's also complaining that it's not getting warm enough inside. Air temperature's not very warm, and freeze data shows it's running around 170 degrees when it should be running around 190 to 200 range. So we're going to change that thermostat and make the wife happy. Somebody's got to, I guess. All right, here's your thermostat. Got air relief here. I'm just going to unscrew this, relieve some of the coolant out. I'm not going to drain the entire system. Then you got the hose clamp, loosen that off, pull the hose off. Then you got two bolts. You got the upper one right here, and you got another one down below it. Once I get this hose off, I'll easily be able to get to that lower one. So hopefully this should be relatively easy. And as you might be able to see, I got a red bucket under there to try to catch most of the coolant. If I don't catch it, well, it'll be on the ground. Then we'll just top it off. But we're going to see what happens. And there's going to be my camera woman. Hi. All right, yes, first off, let's go ahead and loosen that up. Oh, help it drain. Oh, let's take that off. And we'll let that drain out for a while. Okay, we'll let that drain. We will return when that is done. All right, we'll go ahead and take this clamp down. Oh, there we go. And we'll try to squeeze some of that out of there. Bonehead. All right, let's see if this hose can come off of here. Easy enough, I hope. Oh, yeah. There she's coming. There. There we go. We'll set that right there for now. All right. Okay, we'll use a 10 millimeter. No, we won't, because that one's a 11. That one ain't going to work. Now we're going to do the 10 millimeter. Jeez. All right. And loosen up the one at the bottom side if I can get down here. No, it's down there somewhere. Let's get that up out of the way. All right. Got it? Trade me spots. Well, maybe. Ah, there we go. But just bear in mind, it is under there. There's only two bolts. So loosen them up, and I'll be right back once I get them loose. Oops. But help if you loosen it and not tighten it. Bonehead. Good Lord. Okay. Now let's get this bottom one.
Way down there.
It's just below the housing here.
Enough to where you can't see it. Show people.
Yeah, they can see my wrench.
Just don't drop it. Woohoo! Finally.
One thermostat. All right. Go ahead and sit there right there. We'll get the new one ready, and I'll be right back. Supposedly this is the right one. Maybe I should have checked to make sure I was I was good to go before I took that other one out. But
Better be.
hey, it looks right. So, all right. Just go ahead and put that. Let's see, it's got the seal already installed. So we'll just put it in place and let's get these bolts in. And I noticed on the old one here, the seal did come off, so it's down here. So let me. There, that was easy enough. So now you just go ahead and put this one on. Hey, that fits a bit better. Sorry. Oh.
Trying to drop you guys.
Oh.
Sorry, he's getting in the way for you guys to see.
That's what I do best, getting away.
Yep.
All right. All right, let's tighten these bolts down. Start with the bottom one here, since it's the biggest pain in the butt. Okay.
Now the top one.
I know it's there somewhere. There. Good enough. All right.
Okay.
All right. Let's see if we can't get this hose back in place. Get under there. Get back on here. Oh, come on. There we go. Oh, that was easy. Like so. Right there. Perfect.
Now pull on it, make sure it's good.
Oh, and it's going nowhere. Put some coolant back in here. We're going to use this towel as like a filter, or at least try to. So bear with me. Come over to the other side here. It's going to be a slow process, but well, we're probably going to have to top it off a little bit more coolant. Well, we're going to start it up, get it up to temperature anyway. It might bubble down. Have to top it off. But let's run it, get it up to temp, see what she does. Go ahead, start it up. Okay, we'll go ahead and just check for leaks, which we had quite a bit, but I shall return. Okay, we've been watching the temp. Right now it's currently at 206. She's been jumping up to about 209. I think we've seen the highest. Oh, you probably can't see it very well. And it did drop down to two. What was that, dear? It did drop down to 203. So it's kind of hovering. I'm going to have the wife take it for a quick spin, real quick, and we'll see what the temperature does when she gets back. So when she gets back, I'll be back. Oh, good Lord. There she is. Anyway, it's a new day. We had things come up yesterday. So we're back at it. She came back and she ran a little hot. It was low on coolant. So let me flip you around here. So yeah, she's a little low. So we're going to top that off, and I'll have her take it for another cruise. Okay, we'll let her go for a cruise. I'll be back when she gets back, and we'll see how she does. Okay, we've been dropping down about 198, and I think the highest that it got up to was 203. Yeah. And then she just drops right back down. And the coolant level is still at a good spot. I think we are good to go. Awesome. Well, guys, I think that'll do it for this video. Hopefully, that was helpful. If it helped you out, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.
Bye. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.
We'll see you next time. Bye, Tracy.